what's up? So today I'm going to be doing a deep clean with me, spring cleaning, COVID-19 disinfection. Here in the state of Mass, we are completely in quarantine right now. So we have to be at home, and I've been working from home, and I figured since I really don't have anything else to do this weekend, I wanted to get some stuff done around the house anyway. Now is a better time than ever to really clean and disinfect and organize and finally get the house the way I want it to be. So I figured I would take you guys along with me, show some of my tips for deep cleaning the house, and yeah, let's do a clean with me. So I already started wiping down the kitchen with my Clorox wipes. I like the ones with the micro scrub just because I feel like it can clean my cabinets just a little bit better. I can get crud off. Please excuse the way I look right now. This is raw, this is real. This is no makeup, waking up and deciding to clean. Very, very real state of my kitchen right now. But by the end of this video, everything will be clean and put together. This video might be kind of split between 2 days. I think I'm gonna really kind of get as much deep cleaning and scrubbing and stuff done as I can today, and then worry about a lot of the organizing and hanging things on the walls and doing more of the putting the house together aesthetically tomorrow. We'll see what I have time for today, but let's go. So first, I normally like to take some Clorox wipes and scrub down my cabinets. I really like to try to get in the grooves of the shaker detail and just kind of get all the dust and crud off. You don't realize how much dust actually accumulates in there, but I try to do this at least once a week to keep up with them since they are white, and normally I don't really have a problem unless something really splatters on them. Maybe once a month I'll go in with a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser and really scrub down near the toe kicks and everything if I notice some dirty spots or like dust really building up, but other than that, usually the Clorox wipes work fine. Then I go and start decluttering the countertops. It is so easy to all of a sudden have so many items that probably don't even belong in my kitchen on the countertops. And all of a sudden, I don't really have any space to prep or cook, and it stresses me out big time. So I try to do this at least once or twice a week to keep on top of it. For some reason, our kitchen island just kind of becomes the dumping ground. Here I'm showing you which cleaners are kind of my staples at the moment. I always try to use an actual stainless steel cleaner on our appliances to keep them nice. I've also been using the 7th generation glass cleaner on all of our glass surfaces in the house, as well as the Method Daily All-Purpose Cleaner. I believe in the lavender scent for pretty much every other surface in the home. I try to find more natural versions of cleaners versus a lot of the super chemical smells. We both have really bad allergies and we have the dog. So on top of wiping down the countertop, I am wiping down our backsplash because you don't realize how much grease and oil can build up on that, especially behind your stove, until you actually go and wipe it down. Another huge tip too that I forgot to include footage of me doing is to actually make sure to wipe under your upper cabinets, not only just your backsplash. A lot of dust and grease and oil, especially around your stove and oven area, can rise up through the air and get stuck up there, and it can get really gross really fast. So it can never hurt to just kind of wipe that down while you're wiping down your backsplash. One of my least favorite things to clean in my kitchen is the microwave. Don't know why, it's just one of the things I dread doing the most. Might just be because I kind of hate our microwave. We're debating on getting one of the combo convection type ovens for the countertop. So if you have any recommendations on which one we should get, make sure to comment down below and I will check it out. So when it comes to cleaning our stove, we do have a glass cooktop, which is super helpful. I think it's so much easier to clean than having to take apart burners. But I normally start with my daily all-purpose cleaner, and then I go in with an actual glass cooktop solution. I just feel like it cuts the grease so much better, and it really helps to get off any stubborn substances that may have gotten stuck to the surface. Now, for the last part of the kitchen, I'm going to focus on this area. This used to be our kitchen island when we were in an apartment a couple years ago. Now we obviously don't need it for that, but I kept it because it matched our cabinetry. It helped fill out this wall space over here, and it gave us a place to kind of have like a bar for when we entertain. Sorry if this is not your thing. I'm not really a drinker. I have maybe like a drink a month when people are over. But you know, we have friends that like to come over and have some drinks together, and we had a coupon for a wine club when we got the house. So we decided, hey, it'll be good for when we have dinner guests and things like that. Not realizing we'd be sent like 30 bottles of wine. But anyway, this has become overwhelmingly messy, and I'm gonna try and figure out something to do with it right now, because now it's bothering me because the rest of the kitchen looks so clean. So let's go. So for this cabinet, I ended up just emptying the entire thing out and then scrubbing it down with the Method multi-purpose daily cleaner. I then got rid of things that were either expired or almost gone, or that we don't really use often at all, and then reorganized what was left in a way that just made more sense and also created more space for us, so things are easier to find. My dog Penny decided that she was going to be my helper for this project since I was on the floor with her, so I'm sorry that she keeps walking in front of the camera, but she's cute, so. The inside looks much better. So this is the final product, my fully deep cleaned kitchen. It just looks and feels so much better. I love having a freshly cleaned kitchen. It just motivates and inspires me so much more to actually cook and bake in it. I hope it does for you as well. It's a great time to start spring cleaning, and especially with most of us stuck in the house, there's really never a better time. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and turn on the bell notification, and I'll be posting many more deep cleaning videos around my house very soon.